Ilara, a spirited young geologist, stumbled upon a hidden chasm while mapping a remote mountain range. Intrigued by an unusual energy signature emanating from its depths, she rappelled down, her headlamp cutting through the oppressive darkness. The chasm opened into a vast cavern, its walls lined with colossal crystals that pulsed with an ethereal inner light. Rivers of luminous liquid flowed through the cavern, reflecting the crystalline glow. This was no ordinary cave. Towering structures of shimmering, obsidian-like stone pierced the cavern's ceiling, their surfaces etched with intricate, glowing glyphs. Ilara felt a sense of wonder, a childlike awe that washed over her. She cautiously moved forward, her boots crunching on the smooth, crystalline floor. The air hummed with an almost imperceptible energy, a thrumming that resonated deep within her chest. A gentle sound, like wind chimes made of glass, drew her attention. She discovered a path leading deeper into the heart of the cavern, where she encountered the city's inhabitants. Beings of pure light, their forms shifting and shimmering like the crystals around them. They communicated not through words, but through images projected directly into her mind. Visions of a technologically advanced civilization that had thrived in secrecy for centuries, harnessing the energy of the crystals to create a sustainable and harmonious society. The underground dwellers, known as the Luminians, welcomed Ilara with open arms. They showed her their city, a marvel of engineering and artistry. She saw intricate networks of tunnels, glowing hydroponic farms, and magnificent temples carved from the crystalline rock. They shared their history, their struggles, and their profound connection to the earth. Ilara learned of their ancient knowledge, their mastery of energy, and their deep understanding of the interconnectedness of all living things. As days turned into weeks, Ilara's initial curiosity deepened into a profound respect and admiration for the Luminians and their way of life. She witnessed their effortless harmony with their environment, their sustainable practices, and their deep sense of community. She learned of their ancient prophecy, a foretelling of a time when the world above would face a great crisis, a time when their knowledge and technology would be needed to restore balance. Then came the revelation. The Luminians revealed that the energy signature Ilara had detected was not just a geological anomaly, it was a beacon, a call for help. The world above was on the brink of ecological collapse, a consequence of humanity's unsustainable practices. The Luminians had been observing for centuries, waiting for someone worthy to share their knowledge and help guide humanity towards a sustainable future. Ilara, the accidental explorer, was chosen. The weight of this responsibility settled heavily on her shoulders, but alongside it came a surge of hope and determination.